Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys how I harvest my compost. I got those two tumblers there. They're both ready. So I might start with that little one on my right. Usually I just dump it in one of those red tubs right here. And then I use my screen to screen everything and get the bigger chunks back into the compost. This one has an opening up here on top. So I just basically roll it like that and have the compost just dump in here, as you can see. All right. There it is. You're always gonna have those big chunks like this, but it's okay. You can break it down or just put it back into the compost. Let me show you. So they look like that. The compost looks like this. No smell, nothing. It's perfect. Yeah, this is how you know that it's ready, when all this like breaks like this. You can touch it. There's no smell, nothing. So big chunks like this, you just break it and you go. So I'm gonna throw them that screen right there. You see it right there in the corner, and take all the big chunks, and then the smaller ones is the compost. So I'm gonna show you right here in a second. All right, so I'm gonna bring my screen. There, so that's what you do. So put that thing down there. Then you just use a shovel like that. Then you collect the bigger chunks on one of these little ones here. The bigger chunks go back in the compost. There you go. Just you break those big chunks like that. It's actually easier when you do it a smaller with the shovel. There you go. Move these big ones. And I'm gonna show you in just a few minutes how they look, how everything looks. It looks good. I'll save this for next season. I'm gonna start planting my garden, and I'll be using this compost. I don't buy them. This is like way better than the store stuff. No smell. It doesn't stink at all. I think people assume that if you do this stuff is gonna stink. It does not smell because it's just like break down slowly. The bacteria, the ammonia that might come out off of this, so you don't have to worry about the smell. It's perfect. All right. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, let me show you. All right, so this is the stuff that I just harvested. See, it looks great. Looks very nice. So this will be used next season. My garden is right here. So I'll be using this next year. And it looks very nice. See that? Yeah. You could do this yourself. You can, all you need to do is just throw your kitchen scraps and look at this. This is full right here. It's like a lot of it. And it's bigger. So I'm probably gonna be getting like, I got this big tub right and this tub here. I'll probably get this full and I have to get another tub also to fill. But that's just half of that. I haven't even like cleared everything. It's half of that. And this is all that I got right here. Like half of this. So if you're interested in some of this, shoot me a question, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you and guide you through your composting journey. But look at that. It hasn't been harvested. It's big. So I'm going to be doing that here in the next couple of hours or tomorrow maybe on the weekend. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Leave me a comment and I'll be happy to help. Appreciate you.